See, this we are taking from IC 72 Motor Insurance Chapter 4. And what is the meaning of GR rule, general rules? General rules are prescribed for various situations in motor insurance. Insurers are allowed to file add-on covers from 1st April 2009 till 2008. It was completely tariffed business, but 2008 onward, IRDA have issued notification saying that now add-on covers can be filed under use and guidelines, file and use guidelines, and therefore uh, from 1st April 2009, companies can devise their own add-on covers along with motor package policies. Motor tariff was effective from 1/8/89 to December 2000. From 1st January 2007, tariff was withdrawn. Though still TP rates, third-party rates are fixed by IRDA. So 1/1/2007 tariff is withdrawn. Add-on covers can also be filed for fire engineering, industrial all risk, and motor insurance with file and use guidelines. Of course, first we have to file our product with IRDA, and after approval from IRDA, one can use or market the product. GR1, vehicle running on rails, is not to be considered as motor vehicle. GR number 2, proposal form is required except in case of renewal. Renewal, if there is no change, same renewal can be accepted without proposal form. GR number 3, two types of policy forms, own damage and act only policy. GR 39, TP, PD, third party property damage, 6,000 rupees minimum coverage as per law. 1 lakh it can be extended for two-wheelers and 7.5 lakhs for other vehicles. GR 45A and 45B. 45A, fire and theft. If a vehicle is not in use, it is just parked, we can have fire and theft cover, and premium discount is allowed. And GR 45B, vehicle over 7 years, if comprehensive cover cannot be given, then TP, fire, theft, discount of 50 to 75%. GR 22, cover note at a time, valid for 15 days and maximum 60 days. After 15 days, it is to be enhanced by another 15 days, and total period is 60 days. Form number 52 is to be used for cover note, and form number 651 is to be used for certificate of insurance under GR 23 rule. GR 24 rule, cancellation. Policy can be cancelled either side, by insured or insurer, by giving 7 days notice, with the only condition that if it is to be cancelled by insurance company, then pro rata refund will be given, and if it is cancelled by insured, then short period rate will be applicable. GR 25, cancellation, change in policy, fresh certificate can be issued by taking 50 rupees as fee. GR 26, destruction, mutilated certificates, torn or soiled certificates. If you want to get fresh certificate, you have to deposit 50 rupees. GR 4 can be remembered as Baban Palam. Baban Palam, BBN, PLM, means Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. These are SAARC countries, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So these are the countries where motor policy can be extended by paying 500 rupees per country, and policy can be extended for Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Lanka, Maldives. These 6 countries can be given extension. Otherwise, the geographical area is whole India. for motor policy. So this was the IC 72 few important GR rules. Thank you.